Hello friends, in this video we are going to see A to Z computer shortcut keys. Basic computer shortcut keys. Ctrl A. Select all. Ctrl B. Bold. Ctrl C. Copy. Ctrl plus D. Duplicate. Ctrl plus E. Edit. Ctrl plus F. Find. Ctrl plus G. Go to. Ctrl plus H. Replace. Ctrl plus I. Italicize. Ctrl plus J. Justify. Ctrl K. Insert hyperlink. Ctrl L. Align left. Left alignment. Ctrl M. Minimize. Ctrl N. New. Ctrl O. Open. Ctrl P. Print. Ctrl Q. Quit. Ctrl R. Refresh. Ctrl S. Save. Ctrl T. Hanging indent. Ctrl U. Underline. Ctrl V. Paste. Ctrl W. Close. Ctrl X. Cut. Ctrl Y. Redo. Ctrl Z. Undo. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.